Hello and welcome to my unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing headphones that I bought from Amazon. They were £20. I'll put the link down below of where you can get them and what they're called. So now I'm just going to open the box. This is what's inside. So it seems like, put the box aside. This is what you get. It comes like this. Yeah, in bubble wrap, and it comes in a case. So it's inverted, but yeah. So it comes in a case. So let's open it. So excited. Okay, it's the inside. So these are the actual headphones. This is how it comes. So remove the plastic. So unfold it. There's also like a plastic wrap around one of them as well. So cool because like I can see already that you can like bend. If you can see that, you can bend, yeah, the interior like that. Let me fold the rubbish aside. You can also bend this side. Very nice. And then in the rest of the case you have headphone like a wire for headphones. These are also Bluetooth as well, so they're Bluetooth, they're wireless and they're wired headphones, which is cool. And you also get the charger in here as well, so plug it into like, you know, any like bricks that you have, and then yeah, I call them bricks, but yeah. Then you have your manual of everything that you need to know that's inside. It says the product has like, so it has all of that stuff. As you can clearly see, whatever's showing in the picture, it has it there. And you get, you know, your buttons for your volume and skipping songs. You have a microphone, you know, LED indicator, which is showing like if you plug in the thing, it will turn, the light will turn on. Charging cable, which is this. A stereo sound supply extension line, which is this, which you plug into here, like this. Either side is fine, it says. And there's this attachment you can attach to, I guess, over here. You can attach it here, and so you don't lose it. You know, it's easy to carry around. Sorry, plastic's still there. So it says you can pair it with your phone and other devices and blah blah whatnot. So it seems really nice. You know, it's black. You could get them in other colors as well. I think there's like a red and silver one, red and black, and then red and blue. But it's like, I think this part is silver. So yeah, and it has cushioning. So far, unboxing and the look of it and the way it came in, I'm happy with it. Actually, I'm not actually disappointed. I'm actually really nice. I mean, like, it's really nice. So yeah, I like it. See, and it even shows you, I was just looking for the letters of left and right, and it shows you inside. I don't know if you can see that, but it shows you that is left and then right, like on the other side. This is the right side, this is the left side. when I put it on, it will go, you know, like this, which is really cool, really cool. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go and test it out, and I'll be right back to tell you how it is. See you in a few. I'm back after testing out the headphones, and have some feedback. So I'm going to start off with the wireless part. When it came to Bluetooth, easy to connect. It was just look for TP18 and just connect to it. Simple. Took a few minutes to load, but once you reconnect to it, like the second time, it was fast. It instantly connected. So yeah, I tried playing music. It's really nice. It gives back great feedback. It's got good bass, but when it was projecting the noise outside as well, so you could hear it when you would take it off. It wasn't loud if it was on if the volume was low, it's not as loud, but if the volume's high, you can hear it like a mini speaker. So I prefer to keep it on low because it's loud when it's on low as well when you put it on your head, but the outside when you take it off, it's not as loud. You won't hear it much. So that's one point. And when it came to changing the volume using the buttons, turning it up and down, just do short presses to turn it up and down, and then hold it to skip to the next song or the previous song. And for me, the minus button wasn't really working properly, so it took me like a few clicks to, you know, turn down the volume. But going back to the previous song was fine. So that was the only issue for me. It was just clicking back, you know, but then it broke in, as in it got used to me clicking back, so it's now working fully. So I can click it back, you know, normally. I don't need to keep pressing it. Yeah. And this button, I was trying to figure out what it does, and I realized it answers calls. It rejects calls, or it can recall the previous call that you did. It's all in the manual if you guys don't remember what I'm saying, but it's all in the manual, so you can read that. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how you do that. So to connect into, like, to answer a call, you just press it once. To reject a call, you hold it for like 2 to 3 seconds. And to go back to your previous call, like to recall that person that you recently called, or your last number you called, you double tap. So it's very simple. But overall, it's nice, the wireless side. So going into the wire side, this is how long the stereo wire is. It's very long. Not very long, but it's a good length. So you just plug it into a hole over here. You just plug it in. Just push it in, it clicks, and then you pull it out. It's a bit hard to pull it out in my opinion, but yeah. And the way it worked, it was the same as the wireless. It's pretty much the same, but I feel like it's quieter in terms of it didn't give back. When you take it off, you couldn't hear it as loud as the wireless part. So the sound was all kept inside the headphones, which was good, in my opinion. The mic, I didn't even talk about the mic on the wireless. So the mic is here. It's good. It's great. But when you plug it in, so when it's wired, it uses the mic on the phone. Bear in mind, you don't need to turn it on, so you don't need to press the button so the blue light shows. You just simply just leave it and just plug it in, and then plug it into your phone, and you can listen to the music nicely. So yeah, the audio was great. It's the same. I already said that. I guess that's all. While the comfort, let me tell you how it feels. Personally, it's really, really nice. Like, it doesn't hurt. Like, like it's not heavy. Normally, other headphones are like pretty heavy to the point it hurts you and your ears, like your head. And but this one, it's not painful. It's nice. I like it. So yeah, I really enjoy the comfort. The cushion's nice. You know, it's nice around my ears. It's really, really good. You can also adjust it, so which I love about that. So yeah, and it's foldable, as you saw at the very beginning. So yeah, it's easy to keep inside the case, and it clicks into place, but make sure you don't break it, because it seems like it's easy to break. So when it comes to like folding it in, but overall I would rate this out of 10 an 8. I think it could use some work, but it is really, really good. So 8 or above. And I would recommend this to somebody who just wants both, because it's not easy to find both headphones and like wireless and wired. But this is really good in terms of both. It's really, really nice. So yeah, I'll put down the link below to where you can get it on Amazon. It comes in variety, like different colors. It comes in different colors, and yeah, and this feels nice as well. It feels like a CD. It doesn't scratch easily either. Like if it scratches against your nails, you know, you can wipe it off and it just goes. So yeah. I guess that will be all for the video today. So if you enjoyed the video and want more of this stuff, just click the like button, subscribe, and share to let other people know that I'm doing review videos. So I'll just be reviewing tech that I already have or tech that I've bought, and other things like games. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.